It just kind of comes naturally. Like, I just start writing and words just flow out on the paper. I've never had to think about something really hard to make special words rhyme or make words line up. It just happens. I bring my songbook with me everywhere I go, and then whenever I feel inspired by something, I will start with humming in my head, and then I will start with writing words, and I'll just write a whole bunch of words. I'll put them together in sentences and start it off kind of like a poem, and then it will become a song. Singing is something that has always been a part of me since before I could remember. My mom used to always tell me that I used to go on the dining room table and sing on the dining room table with a spoon in my hand. I just always had a passion for singing, and I've loved to sing my whole entire life. A drought of the rain, what's needed to grow is produced by the pain. Anything that inspires me, I write. So God, hold me close when I fall to my knees. It's a gift that God gave me, and so please don't let me go. That's what I do. That's what I love to do. When there's nothing to reach,